This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara.levine. Great potential. Private level lot. HVAC gas, just 3 years old. Hot water heater, electric, 1.5 years old. Some newer fixtures in bathrooms. Home is being sold as is. Seller will make no repairs. All inspections are purchaser's responsibility. This home needs TLC and cosmetic attention and/or upgrades but has good bones and great floor plan. Dominion power, all above ground wires will be underground sometime in the fall. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.